vaccines are important now more than ever for your family and your community. Hillsborough County leaders, along with local health and safety experts, are urging residents to get their flu vaccines. A flu vaccine this season can help reduce the burden on healthcare systems that are responding to the COVID-19 pandemic and save medical resources for care of COVID-19 patients. Reducing illness and hospitalization from the flu helps keep everyone safer. To prevent the flu and help stop the spread of COVID-19, here are a few tips you should know. Get your flu shot. Practice proper hand washing by using soap and water and wash for at least 20 seconds. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer if you cannot wash. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Cough and sneeze into a tissue and then throw it away. Clean high-touch surfaces frequently. Some examples include doorknobs, credit and debit cards, cell phones, keyboards and mouse devices, and toilet handles. Wear a face covering when around others or if social distancing isn't possible. Stay home if you're feeling sick. If you have any flu-like symptoms, avoid contact with the public. Avoid sharing personal items and spaces with those close to you, and seek medical care early if you're feeling sick. You can help save lives by reducing the spread of viruses. We encourage you to visit hcflgov.net/staysafe for up-to-date information. Find your adventure here in Hillsborough County. With 25 unique trails, including 2 special ones in Florida state parks, this year's hiking spree is going to be the best one yet. Register at hcflgov.net/hiking spree to earn this year's medallion. Show us your favorite spot by taking a picture and tagging it #TakeAHikeHC. Happy hiking! Hillsborough County, along with local and federal health experts, are encouraging residents to wear cloth face masks to cover their nose and mouth when in public to help stop the spread of COVID-19. There are not enough surgical face masks for everyone, and available ones should go to healthcare workers and first responders. It's easy to make your own face mask out of common household items. The CDC and U.S. Surgeon General say you can use an old scarf, bandana, or make one using a t-shirt plus 2 rubber bands. Cut part of the t-shirt into a square, fold it from the bottom to the middle, then from the middle to the top. Repeat those steps one more time, then add a rubber band to each side. Bring each end to the middle, then secure around your face. They should fit snugly but comfortably. Cloth face coverings should not be placed on children younger than 2 years of age or people who have trouble breathing. The CDC emphasizes that while wearing a face mask, you should still practice social distancing, stay 6 feet apart from others, and continue other preventative measures such as frequent hand washing. We encourage you to visit hcflgov.net/staysafe for up-to-date information.
Flossing in the morning is a really great way to keep your teeth healthy and start the day. But when you're through, here's what you do. Throw it in the trash, don't flush it. There's a problem lots of people don't know, called sanitary sewer overflow. A condition buried deep in the ground, inside a pipe where bad clouds are found. It's a problem we can all help solve, so throw it in the trash, don't flush it. Baby wipes, bandages, cotton pads, paper towels, dental floss, clog up bad. Medicines, kitty litter, cotton swabs, hair. Throw them in the trash, don't flush it. It just takes a second to do the right thing, so toss it and let's keep our pipes clean. Throw it in the trash, don't flush it. If it's not toilet paper, don't flush it. Even if it says you can, don't flush it. If you're having any doubts, don't flush it. One more time, don't flush it.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the December 22nd meeting of the Arts Council of Hillsborough County. I'm CJ Roberts, Chair of the Arts Council. The meeting is called to order. Martine, will you call the roll, please?
Yes, first of all, the board members that told me in advance they could not attend were Theron, Dee, Lindsay Kimball, and Guido. So I will eliminate them from the roll call vote since they said they would not be here. Next, Paul Berg, Santiago Carrata, Clay Hollenkamp. Clay.
Oh. Am I muted?
Okay, gotcha. Okay. Julian McKenzie,
Present.
Robin Nye, J. Tyler Odell. I'm going to call Paul Berg again because I see his smiling face. So can you give us a verbal present, Paul?
I'm here.
Okay. Megan Parsons. Megan? Okay. Dontavius Pittman.
Present.
Andrew Richardson.
Here.
CJ Roberts.
Here.
Commissioner Mary Alice Smith. Sandra Schroka.
Here.
Ann Eliza. Bob Terry.
Here.
Georgia Vahue.
Here.
Okay, that is our roll call.
Great, thank you. Just a reminder for everyone, this is an information-only meeting because we do not have enough members who are comfortable meeting in person. We don't meet the quorum requirements. So information only, no Arts Council business will be voted on today. Martine, is there anyone from the public who wishes to make a comment?
There is not.
Okay, Chair's report. The Executive Finance Committee did meet on December the 3rd. We approved the Professional Development for Artists 2020 grants. Upcoming at our January 26th meeting, and I'm hopeful that we'll have enough folks comfortable meeting in person to meet that quorum requirement. I will tell you that I felt really good meeting at County Center. I thought Hillsborough County did a very nice job of creating an environment where the safety protocols that I think needed to be put in place were in place. We were all in kind of almost plexiglass cubicles and masked. And so I don't want to ask anybody to do something you're not comfortable doing, but I think you would like the setup that they have there. So hopefully, we'll be able to have an in-person quorum to have the full board meet in January, at which time we'll approve the audit, also the chief executive evaluation. And I think there are still, the latest update from Alma, there are still 6 board members who have not completed that. So if you're one of them, I do encourage you to do that soon so that we have your input. And then we will also review the ordinance, the draft ordinance, which was included as part of your packet. And so please take some time to go through that and share any comments or questions that you have in advance of the meeting with Martine. So if there are things that she needs to research and come back with answers, she can do so. And that's all I have. Next item is Martine's report.
Okay, thank you, CJ. I included in your board packet the status report provided by our school liaison, Erin Saladino. You'll see that they are starting to schedule quite a few events, most of them virtual. They are trying to use appropriate protocols for the artists in schools. But anyway, some good information there. I think they're making forward strides and returning to a little bit more like normal. And Erin hopes to be at the January meeting as well. Next thing is, well, I'm going to back up because Sandra asked me about a package that she got. I didn't put this in the agenda, but you all were mailed a copy of the Guide to Arts and Culture at whatever address your board listing is. Dontavius, would you hold yours up again? Such a great visual aid. So it is, we really think it's the most stunning edition we've produced, and we're very excited about it. So if for some reason you're working remotely, as Sandra is, and didn't get your package, there's also a PDF on the website. So you can look at it there. Another thing that just went out to everyone and all of our constituents is our annual survey. We have done an annual survey since 2017. The difference is now, due to our new strategic plan, we have this very defined measurements framework. So we were able to utilize our measurement consultants, the work that they did for us. So I think it's a more comprehensive survey. Doing it at the end of the year, this year, with the new strategic plan, will give us some benchmarks to really shoot for so we can really see progress going forward. The other thing we included in your packet is the grant making timeline. We do for 2021 for all of the grants. So you can see when the grant opens and what those benchmark dates are. The most exciting thing in my report is a new partnership that we have formed with WEDU. WEDU has a new program called Arts Axis, AXIS, Florida, which is all about showing virtual programming and connecting people through public radio to the arts. They reached out to the Arts Council. We had an excellent meeting with them. We're going to help them promote this. And also, one of the things they're going to do is help smaller organizations with their marketing of the virtual programming. So this ties in beautifully with our new strategic plan and our focus on access and making more partnerships. And they are very excited about working with us, and we are very excited about working with them in 2021. And so I think they really thought this through very well, and they're doing an excellent job, and we are happy to be partnering with them on it. And that's pretty much everything that's happened since we met in November.
All right. Well, thank you, Martine. Is there any other business this afternoon? No other business. Some good news from Congress with the latest relief bill, particularly for our friends in the performing arts with the Save Our Stages. And I think we're all trying to figure out just exactly what all of this means, but it does sound encouraging. So that's a positive way to finish the year. And if Sandra.
I have a question, and I might have missed it along the way since last month, but the ordinance, has that already passed the BOCC, or is that scheduled for sometime in the near future?
It has not gone before the BOCC.
And that's what we're going to discuss as a board in January.
Oh, okay.
Give our input to Hillsborough County, and then they'll let us know when that'll go before the BOCC. Any other business? All right. Well, hearing none, I wish you all the happiest of holidays and a wonderful new year, and look forward to working with you in 2021. And we are adjourned, a 9-minute meeting.